Well, Dad made it down pretty quick. He got down before I woke up.
I used to...
Going to an air show! Get out of here! I parked at Ryan's because I'm a card holder, as they keep saying. But anyway, and I don't want my new car like all keyed up and shit. I don't know.
For like the helicopter, where you're like the target shooting, what is it? Because
I hope they do American flag. That'd be awesome. You can barely see the speck. That is a bunch of people.
Here's life for you today. Let's enjoy it.
Don't come out yet, now you can't go back in. That was cool, man. $3 roll. Apparently this is the real honor guard.
I thought that was kind of funny. This is going to be serious today. Yeah, I am still taking the bus to the race. You're going to take the bus to the race? Oh, yeah. Well, what he told me is... Turn down the bus! Turn down the bus!
Airport continues to evolve into a smaller, leaner, more efficient fighting force. This has been made possible by the dedicated and unwilling who have embraced change and make up a culture that strives for constant innovation. The Britain is no exception to this.
You look so big in there. Maybe I think they sit, Levi. What? Do they sit and they lean into it? Maybe. I guess you wouldn't know. It's zip tied. Aaron's patiently waiting for his turn on the gun. I should be recording. Look at you. That's great. No, oh gosh! Oh no! Oh, it's Cosmo! Are you a cowboy or something? Like the X-Men. And it's just like, where do I go? I'm in a truck with bombs. There's lines that way, there's lines that way.
Asher, what are you doing?
Yeah, you're just like... You know what you're doing, Levi? Oh, you're pretty much cruising then. You just gotta touch everything. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Challenge was parallel parking a standard. Super difficult challenge. But I did it. Didn't bump into anything at all.
I think it's gonna be like this octopus trying to get out of the
Dad's over there doing things and stuff.
He looks good. Huh?
He's such a weirdo.
No, he's not.
No, your dad's not a weirdo? I think he's a weirdo. You're a weirdo
He's so
too.
weird.
Okay.
Isaac's the weirdest one though.
I am so cool. You guys don't even know. Aaron is. What are you looking at, Aaron? Oh, I guess that wall is. Oh, it's more than just a wall. It's a picture. I like this song.
Me too. Would you stop?
Parenting at its best. He's got his shirt off with his hat on. Some good waves today, it looks like, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not a marine biologist. Marinologist?
Marinologist.
Oh, you guys leaving? Alright, okay, bye.